Yes, children, the next topic is the over subscription. We have seen fuller subscription, over subscription, and under subscription. Fuller subscription, when the company invites the shares, invites the public for to apply for the shares, then the public applies exactly that many shares as the company issued, issued. That what is known as fuller subscription. Whereas sometimes the company receives applications for lesser than the invited number of shares, that what is known as the under subscription. In both the above cases, the company allots the shares in full. Okay, when it receives applications for lesser than the number of shares, all the applications are considered and shares are allotted accordingly. But sometimes the company receives applications for more than the number of shares invited from the public. That what is known as oversubscription. Here now in this case, so can the company allot all the shares for whichever the applications are received? No. So as many have been issued, that many can be allotted by the company. So here the directors have the following alternatives or options for allotment of shares in case of oversubscription. What are they? First, the first received applications are considered and shares are allotted. See, whenever the first received, the bankers, when the applications are received, they put the date on that, and when these shares are considered and the applications are considered and shares are allotted. What about the remaining applications? Those are rejected with a letter of regret, and their application money is refunded immediately within a week's time, or otherwise the company will be, and the directors will be penalized. This is the first alternative that the company can go for in allotting the shares against the applications received more than the invited number of shares. Okay, the second option is all the applications are considered. See here, no application is rejected. All the applications are considered, and allotment is made on proportionate basis, means in a particular ratio. Say applications are received for 3 lakh shares against invited number of shares 2 lakhs, means 3:2. Here, for every 3 applications, 2 shares are allotted. This is known as the proportionate basis or pro rata basis. So see, in this case, whatever the excess application money, because the applicants have sent the application money along with their applications. In this case, so the excess application money is not refunded, rather than it is adjusted in the subsequent calls. See, in the letter of allotment, it will be noted that it is mentioned that your excess application money is not hereby refunding, rather it will be adjusted in the subsequent calls, that is allotment, first call, etc. This is what is pro rata basis, the second option that the directors can go for allotting the shares. Next, the third option is to see, sometimes the company receives so many extra applications for shares. So in such a case, the company makes all the applications into the groups, 3 groups or 2 groups, whatever. So see here, out of these groups, for a group is considered in full, means allotment is made to all the applicants for whatever they have applied for, and no question of excess money in this case. And another group is considered on proportionate basis, means they are allotted with some ratio basis, and excess money will be kept aside and will be adjusted at the time of allotment and first call, etc., whatever the case may be. And the third group of applicants are rejected and their application money is refunded immediately. These are the 3 options which the directors can go for in case of excess applications received, or in case of oversubscription. See, for this purpose, for passing the journal entries, an analysis table is prepared. How to prepare it? Of course, it can be prepared in various ways. First, applications received, total number of applications received, against which how many shares are allotted, and excess application money, here it is written. and that excess application money is either refunded or can be adjusted at the time of allotment and first call. See, for adjustment in the allotment and first call, how much can be adjusted per share, for each and every share. This is divided by this so that we can get per share. And if it is lesser than the allotment money, then the total application, excess application money can be adjusted at the time of allotment. If any excess is there, that can be adjusted at the time of first call. This table is say a working note analysis table. Now let us go once again the oversubscription. When the company receives applications for more than the number of invited shares, then this is the case of oversubscription. In this case, means in case of oversubscription, the directors can have the following alternatives for allotment of shares, because they cannot allot all the shares. They cannot consider all the shares and cannot allot the shares. They can allot the shares only for those shares for which they have applied for. Okay, the first alternative is the first received applications are considered and the allotment is made, and the excess application, the remaining applications are rejected with a letter of regret, and their application money is refunded within a week's time. Time immediately say. And in the second option, all they do not reject any of the applications. Rather, all the applications are considered and allotment is made on proportionate basis. Proportionate means in a ratio, 3:2, 2:1 likewise. This issue is known as pro rata basis. In this case, the excess application money, why? Because they are not allotting all the shares. So, the excess application money will be adjusted at the time of allotment, first call likewise. And in the third case, when the company receives applications much more than the invited number of shares, in such a case the applications are considered into groups. First group is considered in full, and the second group is considered on pro rata basis, and the third group of applications are rejected. Where the applications are rejected, their application money will be refunded, and where the applications are considered on pro rata, the excess application money will be adjusted on allotment at the time of allotment and first call. This is the theory part of the oversubscription. We will see some problems.